Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and just ending my day here out in Blaine, and just gonna show you how far I got on these two L-shaped raised garden beds. Basically tomorrow I'm going to be filling them and possibly planting some stuff in there tomorrow. Here, I'll show you where we got. All right, we're gonna start throwing. We got the cardboard in there, we got the what's it called, landscape fabric for protect the wood, make it last longer. Cardboard in the bottom. At the very bottom I got some half-inch hardware mesh to keep the critters from crawling up in there. I'm gonna pour these couple bags of compost, leaves and stuff in here. That's what we got here. And in between these two benches, right here, there to there, is going to be a bench. And I think I'm going to put a couple planters on the end of it for some flowery medicinals, for around some lavender or something maybe, and some marigolds in a pot, or in some, we haven't decided yet, but then we're going to put like a 4-foot high fence built around this, and it's also going to double as a trellis. So we will be doing that here shortly. In the next couple of days I'll have that up and have these planted out, have a bench in here, and here we go. But it's a warm one today. Time for me to go try to beat traffic home. I got about usually it takes me about an hour to get home with traffic, but back out here bright and early tomorrow morning. So we'll grow food, not lawns, my friends. See that shirt? I'll have these on my website soon that you can buy them. And every shirt, hat, whatever you buy off of my website is going towards putting food in the ground, and helping inspire others to put food in the ground, and try to make a shift to get people to start growing food instead of lawns, and people starting to become self-sufficient so they don't have to rely on this thing that they call government. And people are brainwashed to think that in a crisis that the government is going to save you, but that's the furthest from the truth. They don't save people. You got to save yourself, because they're not coming to help you. Grow food, not lawns, my friends, and let's turn your lawn into a food-producing edible landscape to feed your family for years to come. Have an amazing day. See ya.